Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Ignore my AirPods right now because I'm as y'all know, I'm moving out and today is Sunday, so it's self-care Sunday. So right now I just wanted to tell y'all why I want to start this. So today is the first Sunday of the year. It's January 1st, 2023. And I want to start off right. So I want to start off with my Sundays being self-care Sunday. I do not work on Sundays. I rest my body on Sundays. Like God said and like God did, rest your body. So I don't work on Sundays. I have 2 jobs right now, and both of them know if you are looking for a diamond on Sunday, you will not find her. You'll find her at church and at home. Okay. That's where I'm gonna be. So I want to start this series to basically help people learn that it's important to rest your body. So I want you to see the things that you can do. I want you to know why you should do it, because everybody want to work, grind, and get burnout and not give God time and not give yourself time and not care for your body, and then you sick. When you work a lot and you don't rest your body, you get sick. You're more prone to illnesses because you're literally not letting your body rest and build up the immunity that it needs. So you can drink water and hydrate and take medicine all you want to, but medicine causes side effects in the long run. So just rest your body, do it the holistic way, do it the healthy way, and get some sleep and drink some water and rest. So my day this Sunday is gonna be a rest day still, but I still have responsibilities I have to pack. So I don't consider it work. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't consider it work, even though because it's relaxing to clean up and pack and do everything. So yeah. So right now I'm working on this vanity. This is a makeup towel. It's a makeup eraser. You take off makeup, which is why it looks like that. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm currently taking out products that I don't want or don't use. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna run into a lot of new products that I didn't use or use once, and I'm gonna be, you know, figuring out what I'm gonna do with it. So right now, oh, when I first got home from church, I took my mini fridge out of my closet and I put it on the patio so the water can thaw out. I mean water, the ice. It's ice. It's ice in that part where you can put stuff in with the little door. It's like, yeah. So that's that's that. But yeah, so I guess I'll let y'all see me doing that. And I hope y'all like this series, and I hope that y'all actually are inspired by it. And even if your rest day isn't Sunday, it could be Monday, it could be any day of the week, just as long as you rest your body. So I hope this helps people to do that, because that's what I want. I want everybody to rest and be healthy, be good. Okay, like that's it. If you do already have a rest day, put in the comments what day it is and what do you do on your rest day. I think the hardest part of this is trying to figure out where to put all of this, because I don't know. Okay, let's do this. Let's figure out what I don't want first, and then let's go to the hard part. So and I have a timer for 10 minutes because every 10 minutes I want to go check on the fridge to make sure everything is okay. I do have a bowl sitting under there, and I want to make sure the bowl is not full and overflowing, and then I'm gonna empty it. So right now, just putting this makeup. I want all this is new. All of this is new. I need the new stuff. I just got it. To remove these stains, let me know. I done use Clorox wipes. I've used a lot of stuff, y'all. And I don't know. Okay, don't want this. I do want this. I like the 345 concealer, but it's too yellow. It's new. Like brand spanking new. I should have took it back. But yeah, I don't be liking to take stuff back sometimes because of the hassle. Is this the right one? Yeah. It's too yellow, y'all, like on my face. So I'm gonna get this to Bestie. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Why did I do that? Because now I can't get up. I gotta get moving. Oh, and I'm also cooking today. I'm cooking shrimp pasta. I want me some shrimp pasta. I'm trying to keep these empties because I know that there's a thing. I don't know if it's still a thing. Y'all let me know if it's still a thing. Where MAC take your empties and you can get one free product. So as much as I forgot to renew my MAC Pro membership. So I have the MAC Pro membership. Well, I had it. And I go through a lot of these. So I'm gonna need y'all to take the empties. Give me a new product. Because I already spent a lot of money. I need all of these. I use all of these. Is he laughing at me? W32. Yeah, I use all of these. Okay, this is going to be trash because of the simple fact that it is broken. Dang. That's some good lip gloss, though. I don't even know if she still sells it. Maybe I can put it in a container. Do I have a container? An empty container? Yeah, I really don't want this to go to waste. I like how this looks on my lip. Actually, I changed my mind. I don't want to keep it. It's gonna be messy. I don't have time for that. I don't like messy stuff. All right, so trash that. I'll just buy me another one if she still sells it. If she don't, then I got other lip glosses. So this is done for Beats by Deb. I wish every company. Oh, it's still something there. Never mind. I'm keeping this. But I wish every company did that. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Go ahead and take the empty stuff and just break. I don't know what I think recycling is. They probably just melt this down to mold it back. It's probably what it is to burn them germs off. I don't know. All right. So I like this lip gloss, but I have not used it. So should I keep it? See, I'm not trying to be a hoarder. Oh, I love this lip gloss. I'm not going to be a hoarder. Some good lip gloss. All right. I actually do use this for like glam looks. I do use these. These are my concealers. Love them to death. Well, not love them. I like them. Oh, the box. Bang. And then I'm gonna leave me one little eyeshadow palette, because I'm finna pack everything. So when I do some looks, if I do some makeup in this next week, this the palette that it's gonna come from. So I gotta work with what I got. It's sad that most of this is Fenty stuff that I use in my everyday routine. Well, it's not sad. I love Fenty. I like it. All right, this is new. Do I need this? Oh yeah. Okay. I need the Sephora Micro Smoothing Powder too. I need this Fenty mascara with the bronzer Caramel Cutie. I don't really need this concealer, but if I want it, I'll put it in there. Then this is NW50. Is this? Oh, I'm gonna check it in a minute. Shoot. Actually, why did I buy a new fortune cookie when I still have an old fortune cookie? What is wrong with me? Why would I do that? It's a perfectly fine fortune cookie lip gloss. And it's not even empty. I'm out of my mind. Well, Bestie's gonna love this too. I need to see, this is me. I don't want to give it away because I like makeup so much. I love makeup so much. But this is me learning, listen, stop buying so much stuff. Then you wouldn't have to give it away. That was new lip gloss, y'all. This is yep. No more of that. Does Fenty have the thing where you can give her the empty stuff? And I actually really do want to know. I definitely could have did a look with these blonde lashes. Oh, I can't wait. So y'all, I am very tired. I'm trying to take my makeup off. As you can see, it still looks like it's a little bit on my face, but I cooked me some food to meal prep. It's just shrimp pasta to meal prep for the next 3 days because I work the next 3 days. So I'm about to shower and I'm about to call it a night. I was supposed to do more self-care things, like I was supposed to do my toes and stuff. I'm gonna have to do that Thursday morning because I'm gonna be too tired to do that. Oh, I got makeup on my hand to do that Monday, Tuesday, whatever. So I'm gonna strictly be packing, and then I'm gonna wake up early Thursday and pack. So yeah, that's how it's going right now. So I'm gonna end it right here. Have a good Sunday and have a good week. I will see y'all next week. Bye.